you cannot, you cannot, you cannot take my idea and survive it. You cannot take my idea and survive it. You cannot take my idea and survive. Cannot take my idea and survive. Cannot take my idea and survive. You cannot take my idea and survive. You cannot take my idea. Cloud seeding is my idea. The sovereign maker is my idea. My idea. Cloud gathering, the sovereign maker. And you switching on the switch and rain falling is my idea. My basic Dubai, don't steal it. You'll be destroyed. Oh, next time you try it. Dubai, yeah, next time you try it. Let me approve it. Then you give my credits. You sign it. Rainmaker seeding. You credit me. I'm warning. Rainmaker, don't try it again. It's my idea. Rain cloud seeding. Evaporation taking place. See me one. My name is Daniel Akbansop. Dubai be one. That is my idea. Next time you try it. Whoever put the cloud seeding on use, clouded I one. Oh, contact me. You know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, this idea was made up 23 years ago. And the first time I saw it was on Tattoo World. When Tom and Jerry played with it, whoever put it there, he won. Oh yeah, you gotta contact me. Don't you steal my idea, cause you won't go scot-free. And go scot-free. Can you steal my idea and go scot-free? Cannot steal my idea. Whoever did that knows my contract with him. That he breached it. I told him to go and put it, cause I don't have a prototype. And when he has put it, then he called me to come and see and approve that was my idea. Then he can put it up there. But if you don't do that, to put it up there next time, I like. More than the bluster. More than the bluster.